Hey guys, this is what I'm doing here. I got an '03 Heritage Softail that I have changed my primary gearing from 315 ratio to a 337 that came out of a 99 Road King, I believe it was. So being the bike already had this Evolution Industries 66 tooth ring gear on it, I had to take the stock one off this clutch basket and I put it onto the new one. And so I had Barnett clutches already in the bike, and I'm actually taking those out of the old one and I'm putting those into this new one, just transferring them over. So the way to put the clutches in, you have a couple different, you have this flat one that needs to go in first. There's definitely a procedure on how to do these. So put the flat one in first. Next, we're going to have a beveled one, like concave, I guess you can say it would be. Let's see if I can get it out of here. So that's this one here. Now you can see it's kind of got a bevel to it. Now it needs to go on this way. I guess you say the bevel is out. We'll put that up on there, and it needs to go all up in there. Then next, we have this one, which is a little bit different than the other one, so you have to be careful. So get this one next, line that puppy up. Put that in there. Then next, we have a pressure plate, just like all the other ones. These are all the same. Just make sure you line this up. We'll put that in there. Then we have a friction. Friction goes on next. Just keep rotating. I'm gonna go back to another friction. That's all it's gonna be from here on out is friction and pressure plate, and friction, pressure plate, so forth, until you get all the way to the end. My first time doing this, I mean, it was easy. I didn't mess up. I was actually pretty surprised that I had no problems. Clutch felt great. I didn't, you get that famous Harley clunk that everybody seems to get. For some reason, I did not have that. I mean, every now and then you can feel it going into gear, of course, but you don't get that loud bang, like the whole bike just shakes or dumps or nothing. I mean, it does a little bit, but it's really surprising. It's fairly quiet sometimes. I mean, I'm pretty happy with these. Are the Barnett, just the stock replacement Barnett clutches, not no extra plate or anything like that. So I'm pretty happy with them. They got probably, right now they probably got about 6,000 miles on these. So they've been doing great. I've summer 2 years ago, I had a local shop, rebuild my bike. They did the entire engine. They've put a Screaming Eagle 4-inch stroke crank back into it. They made it 95-inch zippers muscle kit, which is 10.5 to 1 compression. It's got Redshift 577 cams, Thundermax tuner. I went ahead and added the HPI 51 millimeter throttle body. And it's got the D&D 2-in-1 Fat Cat pipe on it. I rode it like that for about 1,000 miles. See what the auto tuner would do, and we're almost done. And it ran okay. It ran pretty good. It was strong, but low RPM at times. It just hesitated. It wasn't smooth all the way out. So I figured, hey, I found the shop up in Pennsylvania that was good with Thundermax, and he did a dyno tune on it. I tell you, ever since then, this thing's been purring like a kitten. It screamed all the way up the red line. It does really great. I'm happy, really happy with it. So, anyway, this is what we have left. Just about done. We're going to put that on. And that wraps up your clutch. Clutches are all in. Now it's gonna finish putting the handle in here and button her up. Tighten up the chain, you know, fix that right there. It's gonna be somewhere in that range, but I have to get my adjustments right, measure it and everything like that. But yeah, she's doing pretty good.